Hello there. In this course, in this tutorial, I'm going to take you through how to enroll for a public Darasa. So you shall receive a public Darasa's link as follows: the name of the site, the user handle, and the Darasa handle. Upon opening it, it should launch like this. If you're not logged into the platform, you'll be asked to log in to enroll, upon which you click enter. Then you sign in. Sorry. Once signed in, an enroll button will appear, and all you have to do is click on enroll now. Once you're enrolled, you can visit the homepage and you can be able to see that the Darasa is available. So this is a post that was made on that Darasa. If you want to know the number of Darasas you're signed into, you can just click here and you can be able to see them. So if you go back to the handle and click on enroll, you can be able to see that the posts from that Darasa are not present. Thank you.